Hello, my name is Bartek. Welcome to my channel. Now, today I'm going to cover the topic of what to do with your legs in a pull-up when you're working out at home and the floor is really close to you and you just end up doing weird things with your legs, not really knowing where to put them. So I hope this video helps you, and this is 3 different strategies in which you can position your legs. A common thing that you might be doing is just crossing your legs behind. Now, it's not an ideal scenario because you're not engaging your core as much as you can if you just put your legs forward, and also it just looks ugly, okay? So if you want to have a better pull-up, this is what we're going to do. So first option is to bring your knees up, so you're holding it here, and also you're getting a better core engagement, so you're getting some extra ab gains, okay? So from here, go up, and there's no problem with your legs touching the floor, okay? The second strategy is keeping your legs straight, however, just in front of you, just enough that you're not touching the ground, but you're still keeping, being able to go all the way down and go all the way up, okay? So this is how it would look. So generally for me, when I'm working out at home, this is the sort of angle with my legs that I'll be looking at, and from here, you can go up, you can even straighten them out, and as soon as you're going down, bring them slightly forward, and here you're avoiding touching the ground, okay? So from here again, up and down. Okay, now the third strategy is a little bit more advanced, but this is good because it's adding some more difficulty to your pull-ups. So if you're looking to challenge yourself, this is one way to do that, and that is to keep legs in front of you, so you're in an L shape doing your pull-ups. So this is how it's going to look. Okay, so this is how you can complete your pull-ups, and then you're going to have no problem with your legs touching the ground because they're way over the ground, okay? But it is a lot more difficult. So choose one of those 3. If the video did help you, let me know down in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video.